I'll start recording. Now the quotient is x square minus 2x plus 1. This quotient is the another quadratic factor of the given polynomial of degree 4. I'll write the next step now. So x square minus 2x plus 1, right? 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll write it over here. Now the another factor is therefore, okay, therefore the another factor, another quadratic factor, okay, the another quadratic factor of p of x, the given polynomial p of x is, what is the answer, ma? What is the quotient we got? X square?
X square plus 2x plus 1.
Plus 2x or minus 2x?
Plus minus, sorry, sir.
Minus 2x, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2x plus 1. This is the another quadratic factor. Now, what you have to do is, our aim is to find the remaining two zeros. Two zeros are given, we have to find the remaining two zeros. So, how to find the remaining two zeros is, we have to find, find the zeros of the another quadratic factor. That is, this factor is a polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. So, for this quadratic polynomial, we have to, okay, which I am underlining now. For this quadratic polynomial, if you find the zeros, means that zeros are the remaining zeros of the given polynomial p of x. So how to find the zeros of the okay? So for how to find the zeros of the remaining two zeros of the given polynomial of degree 4 is by finding the zeros of this quadratic factor, that is x square minus 2x plus 1. So to find now, we have to find zeros of x square minus 2x plus 1. That will give you the remaining two zeros. How to find the zeros? By using formula or by using the normal method. See here. So which method is easy for you? You can follow. Now I'm going to use formula method, not formula method, the normal method. Listen here. Here the value of a is here a is equal to 1 because the coefficient of x square is a. That is 1. The value of b is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 2. That is minus 2. And the value of c here it is 1. C is also 1. Now I am going to use this method, okay? And now what we have to do is in the stop we have to multiply a and c and write it over here. A is 1 and c is 1. So a into c is 1. So I will have to write 1 over here. And inside this I am going to write the value of b, that is minus 2. Minus 1, 2. Now which number is multiplied 2 times to get 1 is that is very simple, that is 1 into 1. Now when we add this 1 and 1, we will get 2, but the sign of 2 is negative. So what you have to do is the product is the product is plus and the addition is negative, means we have to put negative for both the numbers. See here now, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. The product of minus 1 and this minus 1 will get plus 1. And when we add this minus 1 and minus 1, if both are negative, means add and put negative sign. So the answer is minus 2. When we add, we will get minus 2. Hence we got minus 1 and minus 1. Now ultimately the value of a is 1, right? Here the value of a is 1. When you divide it by 1, the answer is same. So minus 1 by 1 is also minus 1. Minus 1 by 1 is also minus 1. Hence I'll write it over here. Therefore, minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. So the two zeros are, therefore, the two zeros are 1 and 1. That is minus 1 and 1. Sorry, if minus 1 is coming, see here, minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. Okay, minus 1. And this minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 means we have to change the sign, right? Okay, therefore, the two zeros are x is equal to plus 1. The negative, okay, opposite sign of minus 1 is plus 1. And another 0 is also x is equal to plus 1. Okay, another 0 is also x is equal to plus 1. Now we got the remaining two zeros. Hence the remaining two zeros are, okay, hence the remaining two zeros are 1 and 1. This is the answer, ma. Hence the remaining two zeros of the given polynomial. Two zeros of the given polynomial are 1 and 1. Okay. So the four zeros we know. Therefore, the four zeros are x is equal to minus 3 root 3, x is equal to plus 3 root 3, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to 1. These are the four zeros. Please complete up to this. Yes. Any doubt?
Completed, sir.
Completed. Now, which question you want me to teach? Now, sixth question, all the subdivision you have seen, right? Now, which question you want me to teach? You can type it in the chat box. Okay, which question you want me to teach? You can type it in the chat box.